So, what is ideality? Well, first, let's talk about what it's not. It's not really a resource where you would just come, get some information, and then leave. It's also not really a forum like on Reddit where you would just post things and then also just kind of leave. It's more of a learning community, even though it doesn't quite look like it right now because it's still really early and there's still a lot of work and a lot of change that needs to happen. That said, something that won't change about it is its mission, which is to fundamentally rethink how education can be done. To understand what I mean, let's first start from the very beginning with the word education. The word itself comes from a different word, educe, which means to unleash one's potential. So, education is really about how you go about unleashing a person's potential. So, if we think about how education is done today, which is through the university, the way that you unleash your potential is that you would become more uniform or more universal where you could go anywhere that you want. The downside to this is that every person that goes through this system ends up looking like the next person that also attended this system. At Ideality, we believe the opposite of this. We believe that our potential is in what makes us different, what makes us unique. And so we're against the one size fits all learning model where all students will have to go at the same pace of the class and learn the same information as everybody else. Instead, learning should be more curiosity led and it should be more individualized. To picture what I mean, imagine you wanted to play Pokemon, and in the one size fits all model, what you would have to do is that you would have to go study the Pokedex and memorize all of the Pokemons before you could start playing the game. In our model, what you would do is that you would just start playing, and if you run into a problem, that's whenever you would start learning. This way of learning isn't going to be possible from day one, but the general roadmap is to first build the single player mode, then incorporate more tools to support the community, and then really flesh out the multiplayer mode, with the end goal being more of a MMORPG learning experience.